Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make custom welcome messages on your Discord server. So make sure you get logged into your Discord account. Open a new tab again, and here type in m6.xyz. This will give you free access to all the welcoming messages. Here tap this login with Discord. At this site, scroll below and tap on authorize. Now select your server, tap continue. Now the final step, enter this captcha. Now under the plugins, enable what you want. Modify these settings according to your preferences. Under send a message when a user joins the server, allow this, and now you can make a custom change. You can add your channel, your text messages, your welcoming text messages. And once you're done, tap save right here. Then this is how you make a custom welcome message for your Discord server. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel for more.